everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Face ID or fingerprint issues on the N26 app. First, restart the device. This will refresh your system. Then, go to your settings, search for Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode and make sure Face ID or fingerprint is enabled. Then, open the N26 app and then go to Profiles, Settings and then go to Security. Now, enable Biometric login if it's turned off. Now, head over to your app store, search for the N26 app and update the app to the latest version. Updating your app is very important because it will give you the latest files and bug fixes. Then remove and re-add your fingerprint or Face ID on your phone. Clean your finger or face sensor for accurate recognition. That's how to fix the N26 Face ID or fingerprint not working. Like and subscribe for more.